BBE crimes. This is going to be a murder mystery that all of us are going to solve together. And like we mentioned before, it's going to be unscripted and on the spot. Now, before we get into it, it's story time.
Of course. Once upon a time, there was a...
No, new story. New story.
Oh, okay. Good. I need a travel story, or rather, we need a travel story. Anybody? A real travel story. Yeah. A real travel story. Any story which you've had? Yes, ma'am.
We got so we were traveling and
Ma'am, can you be a little louder, or if you need to starting? Yes, starting.
Alright.
And before you begin, your name, please.
I'm Shomoita. I'm Shomoita.
Shomaita.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi. So we were traveling and we often do this work called guru work, if some of you might know. Okay. So these are basically where you figure out a local from that area who will tell you about the architecture of the place, fashion, art and everything. So they are not typically guides, but it's a very fun-filled thing. So we were trying to figure out a very not so popular travel destination location. So we were traveling there.
Just a minute, ma'am. We is
Me and my husband,
Okay.
so we were traveling. And we took some time to figure out the way. And the show for the travel was about to start around 7:50. So what we were trying to figure out is which bus to take basically to go there. Okay, and we were waiting for quite some time. So this is like in the busy street of Dublin Road, right? Dublin Road, the very busy street during the winters. What happened? We almost felt that one of the bus was going, and they were like could not step it. Suddenly we saw two people, two gentlemen at that point. They felt like gentlemen. They helped us to get into the bus. All right, and we got in, and like the 7 cents, I told my husband, it looks fishy. And in the next 30 seconds, we were out. So they just took his wallet, okay, and it was so claustrophobic, and I remember getting off and sitting for almost, I think, for an hour. We were lamenting, and this was on 30th of December, like the next day was 31st. But I think one of the, we always see a lot of things when we learn. I think we learn more from situations like this.
right.
So I think it's not really a sad story today, because it kind of feels like that we know we have done so much and have to cope up with that. And that because it will start the new year there, but there's always a new tomorrow.
Right.
Like, things can go again better. So that was one travel story that I tried.
Oh, very nice.
So, which place was this exactly?
This was in Rome.
In Rome.
In Rome.
And the bus that you are trying to onboard, the two people came to you and they were localites?
They were localites.
Oh,
They were
okay.
localites.
And any specific place that you were headed to in this bus?
Headed to Castel Sant Angelo.
Sorry?
Castel Sant Angelo.
Castles in
Can you explain a bit about that place?
What is that?
travel just to their story. Hurry up.
It's just a monument which was the residence of one of the emperors long back.
Okay.
And it has appeared in the Angels and Demons movie.
Oh, okay.
And this whole trip was just you two?
Yeah.
Yes. And how many days was this?
Probably 9 days.
And you went from back?
Back end of the trip. So it was almost a rounding up in the state. We were moving and this happened.
What all things you were mugged off? If you can share with
Cash cards, Aadhaar card and PAN card.
He actually works in a detective agency, so PAN card, Aadhaar card, yeah. Anyway, thanks ma'am for sharing your story. I'm really sorry about that, but like you said, everything has a new beginning. Thank you. Thanks sir for sharing it. Hopefully your next trips will be free of all that.
It became a good story to share, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. A huge round of applause for sharing. Once again, just your name again because it's difficult for me.
Shamaita?
Shamaita and
Utsav.
Utsav. Fine. Thanks, Shamaita and Utsav.
So that was, I was going to say that was a wonderful story, but I
Yeah,
that was our story. Now let's see how that unfolds into a murder mystery. Let BBE crimes begin.
Darling, come soon. We are getting late.
It's only 9 o'clock. Our bus is at 12 o'clock. Why are you packing now?
I'm so excited about this.
Where are you taking me? To some Where?
You always forget. You have seen the movie 100 times, but you still forget. I'm not going to tell you now.
You know what? I'm fed up of traveling with you. I am not going to travel.
Hey, sure. I always wanted to go there, no?
I know, but to the place where I can't remember.
Yeah.
How are we going there?
I don't know. The bellboy was supposed to tell us when the cab arrived. Oh, talk of the devil.
Yeah, I know.
Hello, sir. Your bus is ready.
We have an Arabic here?
Usman is a great bellboy.
Thank you, sir. Madam, Rome has become very diverse in time.
Immigrants everywhere. I know. This thing about immigrants, I think.
I thought you were almost about to be racist in front of my face.
Only know things are behind your face.
We can't tell immigrants are bad and all. We live in Bangalore.
Madam, your tour bus is ready, and I strongly recommend you go to that place. You know that place. Very nice place.
Say no more, Usman.
Thank you, sir.
My darling husband knows every place.
Wait a second. Usman, have you checked the cab? It has the enough fuel.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
What did
The
you
fuel.
say? What did you say?
The fuel is okay.
Authentic Italian wine. Is this authentic enough for you, madam?
Usman, you have a great Italian accent.
Thank you, sir. Sir, before I give some
Tip, the culture here.
Here is 20 rupees.
20 rupees.
It's like 15 euros in India.
We are not that diverse. Do you have anything in euros to give?
UPI?
Oh, okay, ma'am. 50 rupees.
Take the cash. It's like we are getting mugged.
Oh, are you being racist than I mean? Okay.
Get your bag, we are getting late.
No chivalry. I don't know why I got married. I don't know why I got married to this man. I will show you Rome. I will show you, I will take you everywhere. But, hello, what are you opening this thing? You're supposed to take me to a nice hotel. Bunty ji.
Bubbly ji. I had promised you the best view of Rome. Look, the Colosseum exit gate.
Colosseum?
Yes.
अरे यार नाम तो बराबर सोच लो कोलोसियम कोलोसियम यार अरे यार ये इटली में आके सब पूरा you told me you will take me to a nice 5-star hotel you will take me you know I have this friend he went to Turkey and he did it for 2,000 rupees a day he spent the entire trip you are learning from him only I know that
Listen. Bubbly ji, we need to get with the times. These 5-star hotels are too old school. We need to try Airbnb, hostel, couch surfing. So that's why.
for 2 years you made me serve you said no sugar in chai only for me for your mother 10 spoons of chai sugar no sweets for me no outings for me all that money you said you will take me to a nice big place in Rome
What is bigger than Colosseum?
this room is not bigger than that I need a big room
You didn't got room service or anything, huh? Euro is very expensive.
They haven't given me any euros. I only have rupees.
Babli ji.
Oh,
Knock knock.
Me?
Miss Romita.
Ah, yes, Romita. Yes.
Babli ji, you met.
Yeah, we met that day. We met that
In your castle.
Yeah, Castle.
Yeah.
oh, Shamaita. Namaskar. 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 Your husband did not come.
My husband is with police.
Police?
My God.
What? Sit. Hey, पानी तो लाओ यार. Yes, water.
Hey, you know in Europe there is tap water only. Fascinating.
She's crying.
It's not good.
You.
Fine.
Shamay, tell me what happened.
Bunty.
Tell me what
Now
happened.
tell me. Baat हो गया?
Babli ji, police took away my husband because they are saying that he has killed Usman, the bellboy.
What?
Why did he kill Usman?
What? No. My husband Utsav his name is Utsav, but he is not like that.
Must be a Bengali thing, I don't know.
No, he is such a gentleman. He was so excited about this trip. We were going to this castle and other places. Oh my God.
I think it's awesome. Pronounced awesome.
That is in France. Italians are like the us only.
In Bengali, it's Tosne only, okay?
Okay, what happened to your husband?
So, that Usman bellboy, police said that ours was the last room that he visited and got the tip, and after that he was dead. So police caught Utsav, and they are torturing him. They are saying that till the time the case is closed, you can't go out of Europe. I miss my Bengal.
Oh my God.
Kumar Sonar Bangla.
Hey, hello. What? Why are you getting offended? Samaita, one second. Ji, this is the big case of Bunty Bubbly Detective Agency. Shamaita. Shamaita ji. You have come to the right place.
You have the right place.
Yes.
Utsav is here.
No, it's jail only.
Oh.
Here's our card. BDSM.
No, we ours also love marriage only.
किसी को भी आप
Bunty Bubbly Detective Services Mangalore.
Detectives, not detectives. Oh, that's why you were following me throughout the casket.
he was someone
No, that's why we are following. Okay, we will take this case up. We promise you, your husband will be free before New Year.
Oh, nice.
Right?
New Year is only one day away.
Okay. So in that case, it's a Tapkal booking, so we will charge little extra.
Whatever you want.
Alright, 50 lakh rupees advance.
Hello. 500,000 euros.
Yes.
500,000 euros.
25,000 Indian rupees are same as euros, right?
No.
Utsav always able to pull it off.
Okay. I don't know my.
Ha.
We need 500,000 euros of advance. इतना कैसे लेके घूमते हैं? Like all those people who get scammed.
I am surprised you're not mugged yet. Okay, Samantha, thank you. That should be enough for now.
I will count it.
No, we are counting.
The balance will anyways follow with you.
Oh,
So, don't worry, alright? You enjoy your stay. We will.
No. Don't enjoy your stay.
Yeah, I asked for love marriage only.
Yeah, I even asked for love marriage. मुझे पता है क्या क्या होता है। क्या शादी करके बर्बाद हो गए हैं, हम भी समझते हैं।
Kamai na?
देखो।
Bye, Pabli. Thank you.
Lovely ji.
जी,
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Such a big case in Europe.
I know.
Now let's get to it. We have to solve the case immediately.
Huh? Yeah. How? I don't know. Anybody here?
Oh. Lovely ji, we are detectives. We should have a keen eye everywhere.
Yeah, I know. See, all your keen eye. Whenever there are girls wearing छोटा कपड़ा and going.
Wait.
Keen eye.
Let me tell you
Yes.
what my keen eye saw.
What?
Yesterday, when we were near that fountain.
The fountain of love.
Yes.
Where you were looking at somebody else.
Yes, you know who that somebody else was? It was Inspector. It was Inspector Chandan.
Chandan?
Yes.
वो आगरा वाले?
Yes.
The one we have in Guwahati?
Exactly.
वो सिलीगुड़ी वाले?
We both know only one Inspector Chandan. So, I know he's stationed there. He's got a transfer there somehow. We will go to him.
You are from Siliguri, you came to road?
Exactly.
Interpol.
Might be. So, we go to him. We take all the case details from him.
Great.
Alright, let's get to it.
Let's get to it. इसके बाद ना, let's please move to a nice 5-star. Please.
Oh, sure.
I'm going back to go business.
Sure. Inspector Chandan, what a transfer! Proud of you. From Siliguri to Rome, what a promotion! I'm going to enjoy this posting. Constable Mario. Cappuccino.
Locked up.
But
Chandan ji.
परमिशन मिला है गाने आ रहे चंदन जी
Yes, come in.
चंदन जी
Namaste.
नमस्ते how are you चंदन जी
Bunty, bubbly.
अरे हाँ चंदन जी so nice to see you congratulations in managing this transfer here
Yes.
I don't know how you did that but very nice
Well, it's a long story, but I'm really happy I could do it. But I'm not happy that you two people are here.
We are here for our vacation.
yes Gigi was always saying what company
Good. This is a beautiful place for tourists. Alright, you will never ever get mugged here. It is safe for all tourists. Enjoy. But why the hell are you here in my police station?
because you have a client inside
Your client.
yeah
Utsav, you say that till Usman? Shame on you, Chandan ji. Very bad.
Indian people bad in this foreign country, Chandraji.
Wait. Utsav is a serious suspect in that case. And you let Polizia Italia solve this case. This is not your case.
Chandraji, remember we have helped you so many times, especially me.
Last time in Patna, you remember?
Oh, I remember how you solved the case last time. In fact, I'll make you remember. Do you remember these words from last time? कितने आदमी थे? Bunty.
Hey, लाइन में लगो सारे. लाइन में लगो. Sir, Chandan sir, I have captured all the 100 men named Harsh.
कितने आदमी थे?
100. You said. So Harsh is missing. That I just say, but I have captured all the Harshas in Patna city.
Except for the one guy called Soharsh in all of Patna. You captured random 100 guys called Harsh.
See, on paper it is the same thing. Chandanji, don't be so thankless.
On paper is now what I have to figure out. How do I put them in my jail? Okay. Chalo. Chalo.
Chandanji, reward money. हर आदमी के
100 रुपया हर्ष के लिए. Okay. Yeah.
Auntie ji,
That was the case. That's how you solved the case.
did you find 100? You had a quota that time to fill your jail.
Three people were actually criminal.
Yes. And that time Babli ji was not there. She's double graduate.
But this is not Patna. Alright, I can't let you interfere in Polizia Italia case.
Babli ji, are you sure, Bunty, Chandan ji, क्या से करना है? अरे जब
You are so self-obsessed, I am telling you.
Babli ji, if I'm so great, I will only remember my name. All husbands are like that only.
I'm still waiting for you all to exit.
Yes, we will accept it. Just hold it.
We have some photographs of you modeling on the.
कैसा हो तुम?
Yeah, and you are here with Elena, the model.
क्या ये तो भाभी जी तो है नहीं. सरिता भाभी तो घर पे हैं, कैसे हैं?
You found this photo?
Yeah, nice clothes.
Okay, Auntie Babli, you're a very stupid detective. I have deleted all the photos.
We have all the photos of the car, the drive.
The drive. We pay for that.
Okay. So you want the case, I'll give it to you. Alright. Constable Mario, give me the case files. Yeah. Here are the case files. Take it, study and solve the case.
How we will solve the case in one day?
By the way, it will take some time for all of this to be translated from Italian to English.
Chandan ji, just something. Please take us through the case. You will tell us best. You know,
हिंदी में कहते हैं नाट्य रूपांतरण.
not here or
Okay. Stop this drama in my police station. Alright, I'll show you. So, the poor bellboy, Usman, he was found dead in the hotel lobby.
Okay.
This is the most important information. He was found dead.
Hotel lobby.
Ah,
is that the only clue you have?
no, that's not. Okay. He was found dead in the hotel lobby. And next to his dead body, there was a keychain of the Colosseum. No, the spelling was Colosseum. I know. So there was a keychain. Along with that, there was a notepad. The notepad had a graphics written on top of it. What that notepad said was, "इतने लोग थे सांबा."
Poor Bollywood reference.
Yes, "इतने लोग थे सांबा" was a notepad there. A keychain of the Colosseum. And also, this last clue will not shock you. Okay? So just a packet of pasta.
Usman was Arabic
Yes.
and he still had packet of pasta.
Yes. So, those are your clues. a keychain of the Colosseum.
Okay.
इतने लोग थे सांबा and packet of pasta. Those are your clues. Now the case is over to you. You'll find out the killer.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chandanji. Don't worry, we will solve this case. What is the reward that the police speak?
Hey, he will get the best deal for us. But let's focus.
Just solve the case and leave my police station now.
Okay, now can we take these files?
Yes, take it.
Mario,
Constable Mario, help them with the files.
And also the scooter, you can take us.
Can you take us selfie also, please, on this?
Bunty Bubbly, they are going to mess up this case.
Oh, this keychain, it looks. The spelling is right. Where did I get this from? It's trash. It's going to be soon. There will be a lot of visitors today. Rome tourist season is the best, and I like it when other people come. Only people who should not come shopping are Indians. They are very, very strict.
Jacko, the keychain maker.
Namaste.
Mamma mia.
Is your name really Jacko?
No, my name is Jack. Oh, it's just like that. Do you want keychains? Best keychains? We have everything here, whatever you want to say.
Arey, Eiffel Tower.
We also have Eiffel. We are one Europe.
Oh. Hey, you have any Indian keychain? That one. March Tahal.
What?
Yeah. You don't know. You're from India or Pakistan or Bangladesh? I know all the countries.
We are from India, but
There is no Mastahal in India.
Mahal is the biggest symbol of love in India. You don't know your own country?
Shah Rukh Khan. Oh, okay, point. Your point. Come to the point.
Mr. Jacko.
Jack.
Why you name your... Okay, Mr. Jack. We are from BDSM.
BDSM? That happens only in the night. I'm willing. You look.
Hey, no.
He looks nice.
No, this is Bunty Bubbly Detective Service.
Malaysia.
Detective.
So we will.
I did not have any kind of robbery or a thing. Why did I
Come to the point. Mr. Jack.
You have killed Usman. Tell us why.
Usman! Me? Why did I kill him? I have not killed anybody. I am a God-fearing Catholic. I have not killed anybody. Though, I did tell you that Usman should be killed. But not by me.
What exactly was your issue with this Usman?
My shop.
Don't cross the limits.
Oh, tell us.
You know, Usman, he worked in that hotel. The hotel's name is not known. That's the name of it, not known hotel. So whenever he comes, I give him so much money to say that send all the your people must take the hotel to my shop to buy all this. You know, I have seen, look at this Colosseum keychains. So nice. Colosseum. It is in Italian. Italian English is different.
Honestly, I don't know the spelling. I don't know the correct
And
spelling.
most people don't. So, but you know what? He will take money from me and he will never send me.
That's why you killed him. I saw it. Yes. Nice
No,
one.
I did not kill him at all. After a point, I just stopped giving him money. I said, I will find another person to help me increase my salary.
That was kind of peaceful settling of the dispute. huh?
Yeah. You know what he always used to tell me? Something he used to tell me. He used to tell me, because he's Arabic, At मेरे यार की शादी है. Whenever they tell him, please get somebody, he will say, आज मेरी apology means that his friend is getting married that day. So he will not bring his customers.
But who do you suspect? Not him.
That's a good question. You know, just next to North Note Hotel, there is this famous place which sells pasta. And in that,
The Akhri pasta shop.
yes, the Akhri pasta, the last pasta.
Yeah, same thing.
Last pasta. So that shop, the owner, he also had the same deal with. So Bob always says that
Who is Bob?
the owner of the last pasta shop, he always used to tell me,
You write every dialogue people say.
I have amnesia, you know, because I am the god of sky. That's what he used to tell me. So,
Cryptic thoughts.
very, very good.
Oh, okay. You don't leave this town. We will be back for you.
You can take, when you come back, please buy more chains again.
बबली जी ये मार्च का हल ले लेंगे.
हाँ. Okay.
कितने का दिया?
10 euros.
Hey, stop bugging people.
Yes. ऐसे पास्ता बनाते हैं, not like the way you putting curry powder.
வணக்கம் வணக்கம் आगे पास्ता शॉप.
आपका नाम बॉब है. बॉब जी को बुलाइए जरा.
हाँ, Bob Jacko. Bob Jacko from God's own country.
Right? What did you do actually? What do you say? Real Italian, I can read. The real Italian, authentic Italian.
Last pasta.
हाँ, मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा तकलीफ. Last pasta shop.
हिंदी का इसमें.
नहीं, that is why I write in English. And don't worry, I make the most authentic Italian pasta. Please sit.
His accent is also very good.
Hey, we have not come here to eat pasta.
I am hungry but
We will eat it.
मसाला तो डालिए इसमें.
Arre. Bob, we have a question. Before that, this is Ankara.
BDSM. Oh, you want strawberries? Okay.
No.
We have Bunty Public Detective Service, Mexico.
Oh, okay. Why are you here?
We have a question for you. Babli ji,
Why did you kill Usman bhai?
I did not kill your wife.
It's not my wife.
Bunty, Bubbly ji, I did not kill anyone.
see now his accent changed.
Big personality, sorry.
Haven't you heard? Rome has become more diverse now.
So because of that, your Kerala accent will become some. Okay. Why did you kill Usman?
I did not kill Usman. Yes, I had problems with him. But I didn't kill Usman. I would never kill him.
He was supplying the pasta to the kitchen of his hotel as per your contract.
Yes.
And we have heard that he did not pay you in time or ever.
And also, whatever pasta I send, you will keep some with him.
That is why he killed Usman.
This unethical behavior, I cannot accept. No, I did not kill him.
What?
I cut off all my relationships with him because my father always used to say, whenever you are doing a business, I'll be back. every week my appa used to come and do checking of all stock. You know how I have to give explanation to him?
Your father is so insecure. You look adult enough. You must be 55. forget.
Have
He
you
still forgets
just
his
tell
homework,
me,
but
just tell me, do Indian parents ever let the children grow up?
we have traditional way of.
Oh, okay, okay. I think I know who might have killed.
Who is the person?
There is a Bollywood theatre actor who performs in that hotel.
Oh.
Oh.
He might have.
Why do you think he has killed?
Because Usman, he hates Indians.
Racism?
And this artist, Shah Rukh Kapoor, he does only Bollywood plays. Usman hates him even more.
Oh. पंडित जी, मुझे लगता है we should meet this Shah Rukh Kapoor.
We have to, before we go.
हाँ.
Uh,
थोड़ा
15 euros.
और ही जाने
It's okay,
दीजिए.
it's okay. You don't have to pay us also. But the homicide chief,
Ketchup ले लो, ketchup.
ketchup from the
हरी चटनी.
pesto, pesto, pesto. Pesto बोलते हैं उसे.
We only have green coconut curry.
Do not leave now till we get out. Okay?
You want to come back to take more now?
Maybe, maybe not. Depends on how
Thank you,
we
Bob जी. ये पेंडल पास्ता इसको देते हैं क्या?
Indians, I tell you.
Hey,
Oh, instead of film.
hey, Indian.
Hi.
वे सारे जहाँ से अच्छा देश हमारा सारा सारा.
We have not met a single Indian after coming to. That's why I don't.
I always wanted to meet an Indian and do this. Yeah! You're a true Indian
Wait,
politician.
Babliji, what are you doing? Wait, Babliji, what are you doing? He's a suspect.
Suspect?
Oh,
Oh. कातिल हूँ मैं, शायर भी हूँ. कातिल हूँ मैं, शायर भी. हाँ, सबके दिलों
अब
में.
मैं खामोश. Shah Rukh Kapoor, right? This is our card.
BDSM, बदमाश. नहीं, बदमाश कंपनी में मैं काम नहीं करूँगा.
BDSM.
Bundy Public Detective Services. Marina.
मरीना, मरीन ड्राइव. मरीन ड्राइव.
Marine Bay Sands. Singapore.
Not interested.
Not in.
I have a keen eye for talent.
Shahrukh ji, we have one question. Why did you kill Usman?
Did I kill Usman?
That's what we are asking.
I killed him because I didn't like him. How was I killed? Was the shot good?
I almost thought the case was solved.
I hated him. You saw that?
Who are you talking to?
Camera. Camera.
Listen, okay. Listen,
We are detectives.
we know you killed Usman.
Oh, no.
No,
That was just an act. I didn't kill Usman. Usman was like my brother. Oh gosh.
Brother who hated Indians and who hated you because you only did Bollywood shows.
हमारा हिंदुस्तान ग्रेट था, बढ़िया है, मस्त रहेगा.
आते ही रहते हैं.
Okay. Okay, see, we know. He hated your Bollywood acts. He used to taunt you with Bollywood dialogues.
Yeah, he used
That's
to
why you
say-
killed him, right?
He used to always tell you, "Edha mone."
I never understood what he said. I always told him he should not hate Bollywood publicly. There are so many Indians coming to Europe. He should not criticize Bollywood. It is bad for tourism. And his reply was always, "मेरा phone बाहर फेंकना was not funny." Not funny.
So there is one more motive of you killing him.
He threw away your phone.
I was doing method acting at that time.
Did you kill Usman or not?
No, he was like my brother. I did a method acting prank on him. He fell for it, and then I took him to a bar. We had so many drinks, and I gifted him a new Samsung phone. Yes.
Maybe Italian, I can't say. But who do you think killed him?
Huh. It's crystal clear for me. You know who killed him? Who? No, you don't.
Hey, who we are asking, tell.
This is not your movie. Please tell us. There is no sequel.
His supplier for teaching that Jacob, he was like little rude. मैं तो ना सहता.
You stay put, right?
Okay, मैं देख सकती हूँ. Acting actors. अब मेरे ख्याल से
This behavior as a detective is so pathetic.
अच्छा चलो तुम our trip is about to end.
Yes, this Kerala pasta is really good.
I like the chaat masala he gave it along.
I'll ask for a recipe before we leave.
We can't leave without solving the case. So we can leave because I have solved the case.
Oh, you have? Wow, who's the killer? Who's the killer?
To solve the mystery, I have called Inspector Chandan to come with all the suspects.
बंटी
अरे
कैसे हैं?
इंस्पेक्टर चंदन,
हाँ बंटी
मुझे पता था तुम आओगे.
बुलाया तो क्या? टेक्स्ट अभी तो लिखा है. सारे
तभी बोलता है मुझे आओगे.
अब आप बैठे. Chandan ji, Aunty ji has solved the case.
Really?
Yes.
Who is the killer, Bunty?
One of the people that you have brought with you.
He's talking about the three suspects.
What? See? Police inspector and him lot of exams. I know.
Chandan ji,
Who is this killer in that?
firstly I want you to call in all the suspects here.
Okay.
Mario! Bring
Mario!
suspect number 1.
Mario, bring suspect number 1.
This is suspect number 1.
That's me.
Jack from the teaching maker.
Yes, I got more keychains. I got you want to buy keychains.
I thought your name was Jacko.
No, it's just for fashion. It's only Jack.
Mar Chinar.
Famous one in India.
So, Jack is the murderer.
Murder! No, I'm not killing anybody. I'm not killing anybody.
Babri ji. और बंटी जी. बबली और बंटी जी कभी भी जल्दी डिसीजन नहीं लेते.
Yes.
Why are
ये
you talking
suspect
about
है।
this as a third person? I am not a suspect. I did not kill anybody. I did not kill.
Mr. Jan,
Yes.
you are a suspect.
No, sit here. You are the one who stands.
I did not kill anybody.
So Bunty, who has killed?
Gangaji, it is time to call in the second suspect. Bob?
Mario, Bob को भेज लो।
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
अरे Bob जी,
Bob, the pasta chef.
yes, तुम्हारा कोरियन में चटनी बनाना बहुत अच्छा बनाता
I
है।
told you it was green coconut curry. No Korean.
बाकी जी आप सांभर के साथ ट्राई कीजिए, बहुत मजा आएगा।
अरे, he is a suspect. But Bakri, why are you discussing all this?
I told you I am not killer.
Bunty ji, I always thought this pasta is like
Killer?
You are a suspect. Sit here.
I'll arrest you for making weird combinations.
I did not kill anyone.
Bunty, so do you think he's the killer?
He is the second suspect.
Oh,
Another suspect.
okay.
Mario.
Hey, I am calling. Mario, call Shahrukh Kapoor.
मैंने आपका सेल्फी मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में डाला। इतनी सारी लाइक्स आए ना, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
बबली जी, आप मुझे टैग नहीं किया। अगर आपने मुझे टैग किया होता,
Bunty, what the hell is happening? कुछ करते क्यों नहीं?
अरे, you know Bubbly जी, no? She is starstruck always.
कभी-कभी तो ऐसे लोग मिलते हैं हमें इंडस्ट्री में काम करने वाले।
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल
अरे, आप पुराने डायरेक्ट से मिलते हैं। अरे वाह।
बबली जी, बंटी, क्या ये किलर है?
He is suspect number 3. Sit.
looks good kill.
Just for making these statements, he should be the murderer. But
Yeah.
sit, he's just a suspect.
As a Bollywood fanboy, I am deeply insulted. Sit down.
I did not kill.
Bunty, all three suspects are here.
No, I did not kill anybody.
I did not kill anyone.
नजरों से मारना जुर्म है।
What he said मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा तकलीफ।
His dialogues are also duplicate like his teachings.
Bunty, हो क्या रहा है ये?
Okay, it is time to make the big reveal.
Yes.
Killer.
Yes.
The killer of Usman is.
Who do you think is the killer? Yeah, between the three of them and others.
Jackbo.
Jagbo, Chandan, 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 Chandan. So there's Jagbo and Chandan. Anybody else? Show the wife. Okay. Utsav. Okay, so we have heard Jagbo and Chandan the most. Can we hear a shout out for Chandan? Jagbo. Chandan killed Usman.
And the killer is you, Inspector Chandan.
Me?
चंदन जी, चंदन जी,
Chandan ji, you killed him?
चंदन सा बदन मतलब तुझे पर।
Chandan ji, you killed him?
Yes, Chandan ji, we know about your conflict with Usman. Now it's your time to tell you why you did it.
I never imagined that you will finally solve this case and catch me. Really, I never ever expected कि पुलिस को ही but nonetheless, I will tell you what happened that day. Usman, the bellboy, he was sitting at the lobby. He was a very lazy fellow. He was sleepy. And I went up to him. I asked him, there are these. I had to wake him up. And then I asked him that there are a lot of Indian couples being mugged nowadays in our area. Does he know someone? Does he suspect someone? You know what he said? He stood up and he started laughing. He started laughing. He gave this villainous laugh. Yeah, he laughed for quite a while. And then, finally he said, the muggers also probably would be bloody Indians only. I could not tolerate this. I came from India. Even though I love this promotion, I came from India. And I caught him by his collar. And he started having a stroke. He was really struggling. I also panicked now. And I started rubbing his knees. My dadi might give him this nuska, but it did not help. And finally he collapsed. Now, in my field of expertise, I knew I had to deviate the suspicion of someone else. Hence, I threw away different clues here and there. I did it a little faster because I had to run.
As I always told you, we have a keen eye for the criminals. Mario, ले जाओ अपने बॉस को. और जज साहब से कहना, जिसकी बीवी लंबी उसका भी.
Okay, that was a one-time film with that Elena. Okay, you did not bring this up again.
Chandraji, you can leave now.
I'm going to jail. Stop guilt tripping.
We have finally done this. Now we need to call Shomita. I have saved her number and sent her friend request.
Can I?
Oh, yes.
Hello.
Yes, Jack. You
Yes.
can go. Next time, just get us order for some keychains.
Oh, okay.
We want Taiji, Tayaji, Mamaji, Mamiji.
I have a new collection actually. The Great Chawl of Vaina.
चौल भी है दुनिया में कहीं पे.
Please, आपकी discount. We need 100.
Okay, I will tell you how much it will cost, and you will need to make payments in advance.
Publicly, let's reopen the case maybe. Yes.
Okay, Indian brother. Come to my shop. I will give you best deal.
तुम लोग भी उठो.
आपको पता चला? सारी देशों की पुलिस हमारे बच्चे बनी होगी. पुलिस खुद. Haven't you watched all the Bollywood movies?
वो वाली देखना मैं रह गया.
I don't watch a lot of Hindi movies. Can I go now?
Even in Malayalam movies, I
Arey Shahrukh, settle this dispute outside.
Okay, okay.
You can go, Bob. You are innocent.
Yes, thank you. Please come to my restaurant.
पास्ता आप पैक करके नहीं दे देंगे क्या कैसे?
अरे बबली जी वो सब प्लीज नहीं बहुत भैया just send 100 packets of pasta, okay? 100. Sweet level.
Papu likes pasta.
Popularize.
Okay. Oh, okay. I will give.
अगर काम हो गया तो मैं चलूं?
शाहरुख जी आप कर सकते हैं। Thank you.
शाहरुख खान नहीं है, इतनी तरह कैरेक्टर।
Shahrukh Khan, you ever take me to meet Shahrukh Khan? I can only meet Shahrukh Kapoor. One more person. Or actually, half from me.
Okay. Hey, okay. Shahrukh Kapoor, you may leave. You are free.
I was always a free man. As an artist, I always knew no one suspects poison in CDs, right? By good meeting you.
Poison?
Poison is
Really? Poison, Usman?